so excited for today because I'm going to go to Disneyland all by myself. I've been here for a few days just on like a little solo trip, and like here and there I've been meeting up with friends, but today I'm excited to just have a solo day. But except like you're gonna come along with me too. So I'm so excited. I'm actually just about to check out of my room. I'm so sad to be leaving Element because this has just been the best stay. This room is so cute. So I'm checking out today, and then I'm gonna switch to another hotel just so I could have one more night here. The only reason I'm not staying another night here is because they're completely booked, which is like a really good thing for them, but just because like the holidays and everything, like it's pretty busy over here. I'm getting my stuff together, and then we're gonna start the day in California Adventure. I'm so excited. Although we're not going to Oogie Boogie Bash, I just wanted to put together like an Oogie Boogie outfit because I just feel like Oogie Boogie and Disneyland just go together. So let me show you my outfit. So I have on this Oogie Boogie t-shirt from Amazon, this little skirt also from Amazon, and my shoes. But the star of the outfit is my ears. I decided to kind of make them myself, so I added these green bows and then I glued on dice to my ears. So I love how the outfit turned out. I'm really hoping that the dice aren't permanent though. I used like E6000, so like it's a strong glue, so we'll see about that. And then of course my best friend. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get all my stuff together. We're gonna transfer to another hotel, and then we're gonna go have a fun little solo day. Here in DCA, and the first thing I had to do, of course, was get a coffee. This is the Witch of Westview's cold brew over from Him Test Kitchen and Avengers Campus. I've seen a lot of my friends get this, and everyone has just been raving about it. So I had to get it, and let me tell you, I think it's the best coffee I've had at Disneyland ever, aside from Starbucks. I do love my Starbucks, don't get me wrong, but this is amazing. I don't even know what the flavor is. Oh, okay. It's a butterscotch cold brew with marshmallow milk and chocolate foam with a toasted marshmallow and streusel crumbs on top. This is amazing. 11 out of 10. It is so good. I just remembered how yesterday I spilled my coffee on my white shirt. Look what I'm wearing again. Let's not do that again. I'm gonna like actually finish this whole thing. This is so good. You know what else I did? I'm starving. I mobile ordered the mac and cheese cone. That's just like something I have to get every trip, and I haven't had it yet. So I think next we're gonna walk on over to Cars Land, which is decorated so cute for Halloween, so I can get my little mac and cheese cone. Oh my gosh, I just had the best interaction with Shang-Chi. Like, I have my headphones in, I had my phone plugged, like I was ready just to go walk for a little bit, take in all the sights. I put on the song Shaboom, that's like Life Could Be Dream, to walk through Cars Land. Like I was ready to just like walk and drink my coffee and vibe, because that's what I do a lot when I'm solo, and it's like really fun. But like I was walking and he was all alone. So I was just like, hey, how are you? How's it going? And he complimented my outfit. We were talking about my skirt. And the funny thing about my outfit is like everybody keeps complimenting my skirt. Nobody compliments the shirt or my ears that I handmade. No, it's all my little skirt that I got on Amazon. So I think that's really funny. But then I complimented his outfit, and it was a great interaction. We got a little photo, and it was so cute. And I didn't record it because I just was like, I don't know, like I just wasn't even prepared for that, but that was so fun. Now headphones in, coffee, song on, time to go walk through Cars Land and feel like I'm in a movie. To find a table here. I don't know if it's just because it's the holidays or if it's just extra crowded this week. Like I don't know what's going on, but I literally spend like 20 minutes just walking around trying to find a table. I probably have so many steps today just because I was looking for a table. Let's see. Okay, I only have like 4,000 steps, but I feel like most of those were me looking for a table. Anyways, so I finally found one that was actually perfect though, because it was right next to like a railing where you could just look at Radiator Springs Racers, Radiator Springs Racers, something, whatever, that ride, the Cars ride, you know? That was actually really relaxing. I was just eating my mac and cheese cone and watching the cars race. I took a little stroll through San Francisco again. I saw Hero, he was out. I kind of wanted to meet him, but I don't know, I kind of got nervous. Maybe I'll meet him, maybe not. I do think some of the characters like Mickey, Minnie, Goofy are out in their Halloween costumes. At least they were yesterday. Actually, let me double check, because I would love to meet them, but they're in different Halloween costumes than over in Disneyland. Chip and Dale are coming out at 1:55. I might have to go meet them. So I'm just over here on Pixar Pier. It's one of like my favorite places in the world. Like, look at that. It's so beautiful. I'm trying to get some little pics here, so I thought I'd show you guys like how I take pictures when I'm solo. Fun fact, they actually don't let in tripods in Disneyland. I don't exactly understand their rule, to be honest, because like they let in like what you're on like a little camera, like a handheld tripod that doesn't extend. And so the first day I brought my big little tripod that I usually use to get photos over in Disney World, and they let it in. I ended up not even needing it, but they did let it in. And then the next day they didn't let it in, and that was really humbling because I had to walk all the way back to my hotel and then walk all the way, actually I just Ubered back, so I didn't even try bringing my tripod back today. But usually that's how I would get photos, just to like put it in the right spot and like the right angle and everything. But since I don't have a tripod, what I usually do is I make do with usually like a water bottle or something, or sometimes there's just like a pole or something, and I prop my phone up. So let me show you the art of solo picture taking. The lighting is like really not good right now. Okay. So I go to Lynn's Buddy. See, that's like an example, but the lighting's really bad, so they're not really turning out that great. Okay, but I like just prop up my phone. Sometimes I use front camera. Oh hey, sometimes I use back camera. It just depends on what I'm feeling. I prefer front camera because then I can see the framing, but the quality's better on the back. So press that, and then I just pose. So I'm currently just getting a few pics, and then let's go try to find Chip and Dale. Quick selfie. That was so cute. It was just, oh, I found Dale. I don't know if this is what he was saying, but he pointed to my cheeks. At first I thought he was talking about my blush, but I feel like he was saying, oh, you have little chubby chipmunk cheeks like me. I don't know. I probably misinterpreted him, but. So Mickey Mouse is gonna come out at 2:30, and Baymax might also be coming out at 2:30. I actually just met Goofy. He was so cute, but sometimes when I'm solo, I kind of have to choose like what I want. Like, do I want photos on my phone? Do I want to vlog with this camera? Do I want like a video vertically on my phone? So meeting Goofy, I just wanted a little photo. So sorry, I didn't vlog it. So I'm on, I don't even know what it's called, but I'm in like the Hollywood area. It's so beautiful over here, and there's a place over and off the page where I think you can like take a little quiz and it'll tell you what Disney character you were. I like didn't know it existed until my last trip, so I think it'd be fun to kind of go in there and see what character I get. So let's go. Oh my gosh, I just forgot they might have the drawing classes too, which if they do, I totally would love to do that. Wow. Oh my gosh, okay, let's come back at 3 for Baymax.
Bonjour! Touch the glowing bookmark and the enchanted book will show you your true character. Enchanted. It is with the greatest pleasure that we will now show you which Disney character is most like you. My dear guest, first we must create your portrait. Gaze deeply into Cogsworth's reflection. You may try again.
Let's try that again.
Wonderful. I will save your portrait for the final.
I don't know where I'm looking, but oh well.
When you have a problem, would you rather talk it out with friends or think? Do you see yourself as more sensible or more imaginative? Are you ruled more by your passionate heart or your logical head?
This one's hard.
We need your answer.
No, I'm here.
Natural leader who is determined and independent. You set your own high standards, which you frequently exceed. You are most like Mulan.
Oh, whoa. That's cool.
I'll take it. I'm very flattered. That honestly explained me perfectly, so move on. I'm pretty sure last time I got like Sally some car.
Bonjour.
Hi, Minnie. How are you? You look so beautiful. Oh, thank you. Are you dressed as a fortune teller, kind of? Oh, making magic spells. I see. I love it.
So we met Minnie, and now I see Donald, and he's dressed as a devil question mark. I don't know, but he's so cute. So let's go meet him.
How cute. Donald missed the bus. Hi Donald, how are you? I love your outfit. Just have to take a little video. Oh yes, you look so wonderful.
So are you ready to draw Baymax? Yeah, all right, let's do it. So he's got to also walk, right? So underneath this circle, we're going to draw in his legs. Right underneath our bottom circle, I'm going to draw 2 parentheses on both sides. Like this, but the vinyl patching is a very faint, very light gray. So if you use the side of your pencil, you can shade in this area to add a little bit of contrast. See, when they acquired Marvel, they wanted to explore some of those stories.
I'll big round of applause for our artist, Mandy. Thanks so much, Mandy.
All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pound. A gantry lift full of warm terrans makes a really great distraction. Remember, if you see a scary creature, scream real loud.
Oh my god.
And look delicious.
Ready?
He showed us how little ripples can become great waves. It just takes one. Will you be the one to start the motion? Stand alone, stir the ocean, be the hand that reaches out to the unknown.
Well, it is midnight and I am in my new hotel. Sure am missing Element right now. I had such a fun little day. I saw World of Color and apparently that's the last time I'm gonna get to see it, question mark, because it goes away for the holidays and they do like a Christmas thing. So hopefully they bring it back. I just love World of Color. I think it's so special. I love the message, like inspiring you to start a wave, whatever that means to you. Be in friendships, career, and life, etc. It's just really inspiring to me. I really love California Adventure. Like, I could just stay there all day. I did go on Guardians of the Galaxy Monsters After Dark. That was so fun. But yeah, I go home tomorrow. And here's my plan. So my flight is at 3. And I've been talking to all my California friends. I'm like, okay, flying out of LAX, my flight's at 3, when should I get to the airport? And they all said to leave around 12. Hopefully, I'm probably gonna get there early if by leaving at 12, but like, that's just the best time. I kind of have a park ticket for tomorrow because I bought a 4-day ticket. I thought I was gonna be here an extra day. That was like my original plan. But because like hotels are so limited and everything, I just decided to cut it back a day. But I had already bought my tickets. And when I bought them though, I was like, no big deal, like if I don't use one of the days because I can just use it another time. Well, it turns out you actually can't use it. The reason I can't do that this time is because I've already used the tickets. So once you use them, there's a 14-day window, which is pretty nice. Like 2 weeks is pretty nice. I'm not coming back in another week. So I was like, oh, I'll just save them for another trip. But yeah, you can't do that. So that's not a little hack I learned. So I'm thinking I'm gonna wake up super early tomorrow and go to the park. I have this cute little outfit I want to wear. Let me show you. It's pretty much what I bought here in Disneyland. But I thought it'd be so cute to wear my new little shirt and my bell ears. And then maybe with leggings. Here's my room, by the way. Cute. Since I've already bought the ticket, the money's gone either way. If I had just bought the 3-day ticket, I think it's only like an extra $30. So like, it's really not that big of a deal. I definitely could be doing the math wrong though, because it doesn't really sound right. But yeah, like worst case scenario, like I just show up to the park for like an hour. Because I have to be out of my room by 11 anyways. I definitely feel like I pulled something in my shin. Is that the right thing to call it? So before I went and did like the Baymax drawing class, I had 30 minutes. So I was like, okay, let me go meet the Halloween characters because they all came out at 2:30. I really thought somehow I was going to be able to meet Mickey, meet the Halloween characters, meet Baymax, and get food all in 30 minutes. Not sure what was going on in my mind because I also mobile ordered a candy cane churro from the Cozy Count area. So I went and met Minnie, and then I met Donald. Then my mobile order was ready, so I went to Cozy Cone. By the time I did all that, it was 2:50. I immediately went to the first trash can I saw because I knew there were gonna be no tables. So I tried the churros, but I had to eat them super duper quick. So I was like scarfing down the churros. It was 2:55 and I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta go. So I walked the fastest I've ever walked in my life from Cars Land to, I don't even know what it's called. I don't know, but the place where you go to the drawing class. Anyways, and I could feel it in my legs. So I was like, oh, this is not gonna be good. And so here I am, and like towards the end of the night, I was low-key limping because like I was in so much pain. So we'll see how it is tomorrow. I mean, I think it's gonna be fine. All in all, this trip has been really good. I think it's been a really successful little solo trip. I hope you guys enjoyed these little Disneyland vlogs. And if you watch all the way to the end of this video, well, I have a surprise for you because this is actually not the end of our solo Disney travel adventure sleepover series. We're going on a Disney Halloween cruise. Ever since I did the Christmas Disney cruise last year, I just knew I needed to go on a Halloween cruise this year. So we're going, and that's going to be the next video that you get to watch. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys on the seas.